Gary Deal, President of G&G Fleet Service and Fleet Supply. Today we'd like to show you the installation of a injection pump kit designed specifically for the Scotch trucks. You'll recognize some of the components, particularly the pump itself. It's a pump that we've been using for several years and can be found on a lot of the trucks down in Florida region. The kit installation consists of several components, and I'd like to go over those with you one at a time. Okay, the first thing to install is the pump. This is our pump kit. You'll recognize this from other videos that we've done showing you performance tests and things like that. This is the pump with the flow meter, pressure gauge, control, power on and off, as well as a light that tells you when it's powered up. You can see that when the other pumps are running and it's noisy, the light will also tell you that the pump is on. This can be placed anywhere in the back of the truck that is convenient to you. On some of the Scotch trucks, you'll find they have some valving over on this side, three-way valves that are placed on this side of the panel. In this particular truck, those are not used. So the box can go anywhere in this open area. It can also be placed over to the right of the sump, where you'll find it on a lot of the rhinos that we've installed our injection pumps in. It's a very compact pump. It'll fit basically anywhere in the back, and it'll even fit on this side to the right side of the sump pit. Once it's connected, it's good to go. Only two wires to connect it to power, and what we've done is our power source is inside the dry storage box. It's a fused link that we bring up the right side of the truck, the same path that the power flows to the reels, and then we come across to the pump. And again, it's a fused link, so if a short should occur, the fuse will pop, and you can repair that circuit and place a new fuse. But it follows the same path and the same source that the reels are powered by. Up above the tank, you see they've got a fresh water tank here in the Scotch truck. It's a standard item on this particular truck. Also, to the right of that, we have a very similar tank that we provide, and that tank is the source tank for the matter, for the injection pump. That mounts very quickly and easily to the top of the tank, utilizing the stainless steel straps that hold the main tanks in place. You can see one here. That strap runs completely across the tank. Our pump, our tank is strapped to that. Very secure, easy to remove if you need to take it out for any reason. But that is a solid installation on the tank, and quick and easy for an install at your branch. The tank comes to you completely set up. It has the pickup and return lines on the tank, and it's set up for some agitation because you do get some settling in the tank. When it's returning back to the tank, as soon as you turn the injection pump on, it returns back to and actually agitates the material on the bottom and keeps it from building up. So all of that's incorporated in the tank. You don't have to do anything except strap the tank, our tank, on top of the existing tanks with ratchet straps, and you're right in business. So that takes care of the pump and the source tank. The hoses, everything is 1/2 inch, coming off 1/2 inch feed, 1/2 inch return, and then of course 1/2 inch over to the reel. Now, I'd like to show you the reel. We'll take a moment to go over and set up, and I'll show you the reel and some of the modifications that we had to do to make this work for you in the Scotch truck. So let's do that now. So we'll take a break for just a few seconds, and then we'll go over and set up on the reel. Okay, we're back. A couple of things I want to point out. One of the difficulties that we had to overcome in putting injection on the Scotch truck is the fact that the tank is so close, in close proximity to the reel. The standard swivels do not work. You cannot use a standard swivel. It's too long, will not fit between the reel cage and the tank. What we did in our fab shop, we challenged them to come up with a solution. We made a custom spindle and that's the spindle that the reel turns on, and made that custom spindle to accommodate also a custom swivel. And if you look at the swivel that's on that attaches to the spindle, you still have over an inch of clearance between the end of the swivel and the tank. The guys in the shop did an excellent job on that. Without making that change and that modification, you cannot put injection on these reels. It's too close to the tank. So that was a major obstacle that we overcame. Custom fabrication shop, kudos to them. You can see once that was done, we were able to put the double barbs inside the reel, dual line hose, true green gun with a green manifold, and yellow nozzle. That is pretty much it. And one other thing that we did, you'll note here, we attached a fill port, and this fill port allows the fill guys, when your truck comes back in and is ready to be filled for the next day, they can visually see the tank. They can attach, this is the correct coupling for their fill system. They can attach and pump directly into the tank without climbing up in the back of the truck. It makes it quick and easy to fill the Manor tank. This is all provided with this kit. So you get our pump, you get the components to modify the reel, you get the tank, a complete tank plumbed and ready, the hose that you need, the fittings, hose clamps, dual line hose, leader hose, gun, the entire package, everything that you need to do a complete install on a Scotch truck comes in our kit. And it works awesome. Thank you for watching the video today. We hope that you enjoyed it, as well as can appreciate the work and the effort that was put into this kit. Thank you.